Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. Starting a little late because the auction for the working copy of my cookbook started at 8 a.m. Yep. Bid high and bid often. All the proceeds are going to Project Semicolon, a charity near and dear to my heart. Yesterday was the first night of bachelorhood, and I prepared caramelized, slow-roasted Asian beef short ribs. The house smelled fantastic. The short ribs did their thing for 3 hours plus. Then I transferred them over to a sheet pan, and that is where things went bad. I'm going to share this recipe, but warning now, don't do the last step, the caramelization. Yeah, it basically made these short ribs almost inedible. Yeah. Look at the pictures carefully. So I recommend the recipe, but not the last step. That would have been perfect. Yes, I normally don't complain about things, but this, oops. This is not my oops. This is the person who wrote this recipe. All right, day 2 of bachelorhood. Thai peanut chicken. Yum-y. This is a great one. I did this during the year. I chose this one because I just love this one. It's really, really good. Let's get to it. Got the hardware going. Got the chicken. Some oil, crunchy peanut butter, some garlic, yellow onion, some brown sugar, peanuts for the topping, for garnish, and we're going to go back. Can of coconut milk, which I got at Super X, some ginger, some chili sauce, chili powder, this is from LA Merchandise, some salt, some pepper, cilantro for garnish, and I'm doing this over rice. The sauce, the peanut sauce, is just so yummy over rice. Yeah. And as you know, I'm a rice guy. Yeah. The actual cookbook. The paperback has been approved by KDP. It's within hours of basically showing up. I've got just a little bit more work to do on the hardcover version. So we're close, folks. We're really close. All right. On this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.